the car, you have to be traveling through the knob areas because you never know what could happen. You can have a landslide, or somebody can road surface, you can have car trouble with speed. You have in mind traveling traffic business. But very
Good morning, my name's Gene. I come to say howdy. Oh, when'd you get your thing back?
Oh, I just went and got it today.
Oh, you got paid today?
Well, it's all gone now.
Yeah, mine too. Well, no, I'm not gonna. Hey, it's getting wet, man. You want to keep that from getting wet. Your amplifier.
Oh, that's
Getting soaking wet.
that's because I had to run in here with a hailstorm.
I know it.
Ah, rain's too strong. Shit, where am I? How do I get out of here? Hey!
That's the problem when you have celebrities.
Yeah, all right. What a landing, huh? Ah.
Stuff came in so fast.
What we're going to do when we set this up is we're going to get some line.
Trade your cameras. Oh, the hail came down so hard that time. No, the friend of mine, it's Channel 2 News.
That's a
And yeah, it's a news chopper. But a friend of mine, I was talking Sunday,
It didn't
Sergeant,
crash though.
Sergeant in Santa Monica, a friend of mine, piloting it.
But it didn't crash.
Oh no, he had to land because the weather come down so hard.
No shit.
All right, I am totally drenched.
Well, that's all right. Then you can stand there a little bit. You already been out to this?
Oh yeah,
What are they doing?
all on a camcorder. So you have a camcorder back.
Yeah, but did you see it come down?
No, but I heard it, but I didn't realize it was coming down.
I can't believe it did.
I heard like,
This fucking thing is.
oh that was before I talked to you.
Oh, it's been down before. Oh.
Yeah, because I was starting my generator, running my generator, and I said, whoa, boy, my generator sure made, no, I was inside the bus, and I said, my generator sure making a lot of noise. No, when that hailstorm came down, it's when they landed. So, sir, what do you think of the rain? That was a...
What are they broken down or are they?
No, the storm was so strong. The storm was so strong that he had to land.
Been neat to see that thing land.
Yeah, well, I heard it. I thought, I said, boy, my generator sure sounds awful. And then I realized the helicopter was not flying over. I didn't realize he was landing. Yeah, a friend of mine's piloting it. It's Sergeant in Santa Monica Police Store. I just talked to him Sunday. I used to talk to him all the time around my studio on Broadway. But that's KNX News. No, that's the main part covered there. So KNX News van too. I mean, that's their pilot for the news guy. I'll bet it's high. He said he flew P-51s during World War II over Europe.
You know, that must have been an exciting life. That's one of the things that I've always wanted to do is fly.
Yeah. Well, World War II, I suppose, was exciting, all right.
Well,
that was kind of pumping.
no, you're right there. I
Yeah.
agree with you there. But flying was always intriguing.
Yeah.
It's something that's not normal.
Yeah. This wasn't normal. Yeah. Oh, I'm just stretched. I mean, the water was only a foot deep over here, and I climbed through it to get through it. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I gotta change clothes. That hailstorm was so strong. Yeah, it's a friend of mine. It's Santa Monica Police Sergeant piloting. Oh yeah? Yeah, and KNX News, got a news cameraman inside there. Yeah, so the storm just came down so strong, so he was kind of sitting it out. Yeah. Yeah, he used to fly P-51s in World War II. Yeah. Warm. I'm so totally soaking wet now, it don't matter. I am wetter inside than I am outside. See a chopper down over there? See a chopper down? Straight out your window there. So a friend of mine, police sergeant, is piloting it. He used to fly P-51s in World War II over Europe. But, yeah, the storm, when that hailstorm hit, he had to land. Got a Channel 2 news crew in there, too. See it? Yeah. Oh, no, that hailstorm come down too strong for him. Yeah, I do. As a matter of fact. Can you open that? Yeah. You need to get your place dry. You can go to my big bus there. Hello? Well, I'm already wet from, you see a chopper down? Huh? See a chopper down over here? Yeah. Yeah, a friend of mine piloting it, sergeant in the police force here in Santa Monica. So we're gonna get a look at Neil here and his... Where you going? Lightweight. Never let a little rain hurt you. Somebody lives there, ex-professional football player. Oh, probably just till tomorrow, unless you don't need it till next week. Otherwise, just till tomorrow. I'll talk to you later.